$106,000 weekly profit. This is a record so far in my trading career. I have been trading futures based on COT report since 10 years and I have been reinvesting all my profits. Therefore, I am not surprised because if you reinvest all your profit, if you don't cash out of your trading account, your position size grows, profit per trade grows. And this is a good case how you can build wealth with trading. So you focus on a profitable trading strategy. You don't cash out your trading profits and you do the same thing again and again with discipline and consistency, and the compounded interest does the rest. Hello and welcome to Insider Week. My name is Max Schulz and in this video I am going to review all my trades from the last trading week. But before I start, I would like to make an announcement. So Insider Week got in November 7 years old. Therefore, I will hold a birthday webinar, and if you take part in this webinar, you can win 6-month Pro Trader subscription. You can get all my trading plans from COT1 and startup trading account. So you can win 1 year Pro Trader subscription, and the highlight is you can win 6-month COT1 coaching. Please sign up for this webinar. You can win all these prizes. And I see you in the webinar. Before I review all my trades, please take a note of risk disclaimer. I would like to start with COT trading account as usual. COT trading account made a new all-time high and the first time I achieved $1 million on this trading account. 10 years ago, when I started to trade based on COT data with this strategy, I made a plan, and this plan was to trade my $14,000 account to $1 million account within 10 years. And guess what? 10 years later, I have $1 million on COT1 trading account. This is a good example why you have to set goals in trading and you have to work on your goals. And to achieve your goals, you have to improve yourself, to journal your trades, analyze your trades, to try to get better and better each trade. Let's have a look at the watches I started with in the last trading week. On the buy side, I had Dow Jones Mini, Euro FX, Mexican Peso, gold, copper, cotton. On the sell side, Japanese yen and coffee. Let's have a look at portfolios on the beginning of the week, left side, and end of the last trading week, right side. As you can see, I started in the last trading week with 10 long contracts in Euro, 59 long contracts in Mexican Peso, and 9 long contracts in Dow Jones E-mini. I finished the week with one position in my portfolio, 82 long contracts in Mexican Peso. The weekly trading result on COT1 trading account is $95,010. Let's have a look at the first trade in Euro FX. As you can see on the weekly chart, we got a buy signal based on COT data analysis. Usually end of the year, we have strong seasonal trend in Euro. As you can see on the daily chart, I waited for a correction and then I decided to open a long position in this market. Before I opened a trade, I announce all my trades in Pro Trader subscription, in membership and Telegram channel. And as you can see, I made a trading plan and I posted this trading plan for all Pro Trader subscribers in Telegram channel. And here you can find a plan for a trade in Euro FX. As you can see, here's an entry price, here's a stop loss, here's a price target. And I was triggered by my entry price. I do swing trading based on daily candles. It means after I post my trading plan, you have usually 2-3 hours to prepare you for an entry. As you can see in Euro, I was triggered as planned. So the first target was reached by a risk-reward ratio of 1:2 and I made a profit of $20,500. And second position of 10 long contracts was stopped out by a trailing stop. So I made a profit of $15,250 last trading week. Let's have a look at the next trade, Dow Jones E-mini. Also here I got a buy signal based on COT data analysis on the weekly chart. Usually end of the year we have also strong upward seasonal trend by stock indices. And here you can see my trade. I made with this trade a record so far. So I made with one single trade $79,760 profit. And also this trade I announced before I opened this position in membership on Telegram channel. As you can see here, Dow Jones E-mini long trade with 2% risk, 12th November. And also here a picture of entry price, stop loss and profit target. All the necessary information to set up this trade. Next trade, Mexican peso. I got here a buy signal based on COT data analysis in direction of weekly trend. Usually I like signals like this because in direction of weekly trend is easy to trade. So let's have a look at the open position. So I'm currently in the open position in this market. The position size is 82 contracts. So I built up 2 times this position. I started with 2% risk, then I added 2% more, and the last correction I added 1% more. So now I have 5% position size in this account. As you can see here in my trader channel, I also announced this trade. So I announced that I will build up my position. Why I do it? It's very important, the transparency, because a lot of services outside, they offer some signals, but they don't have documentation about the equity curve. So they don't have documentation about how the trades worked out. But here on the Insider Week, I announced all my trades before I open a position. So at the end of the week, you see all the results. And during the week, every day, I update all my trades, and if I have some changes in my trading plan, for example to move my stop loss and so on, I post it in this trading channel. And this way you can see how profitable the COT trading is, and also you get trading cases and you can study these cases and you can improve your own trading based on COT data. If you want to get all the announcement of all my trades before I open it, you can subscribe to my Pro Traders. You will find on my website a button Trade with me. You click on this button and you will get all the information, and also here you can subscribe and get access to my membership and trading channel. In the other markets from the watches, I didn't do any trades. For example, the reason here is I waited for a stronger correction because the markets went sideways all the time. I don't like trade markets if they go sideways, therefore I waited for a clear direction, and on Friday we got a strong Friday, and as you can see we got a confirmation for trend continuation to the upside. Next market, cotton. Cotton went whole week sideways. So I waited here for a trend change, but as you can see, that trend didn't change. So next market, gold. So gold, I waited for a little bit stronger correction, but the correction was very short and therefore I didn't get an entry pattern here in this market. Next market, coffee. As you can see, the market went in another direction. Instead of trend change, we got the trend continuation. And the last market is Japanese yen. Same picture here. I waited for a trend continuation, but I got trend change on this market. I trade also small account of $30,000 to support traders with small accounts, to show how to trade small account in terms of risk and money management and the patience. This is what the new traders or traders with small accounts have to learn, to be careful in terms of risk and money management, to improve the skills in risk and money management, and also to be patient, to wait for a good opportunity in market. And on this account, I started in the last trading week with 2 positions in my account. I was 3 contracts long in Mexican peso and I was 4 contracts long in micro Dow Jones. And as you can see, I finished the week with 1 position in my portfolio. Also here, I increased my position size by Mexican peso. I used the correction to increase the position size until 5 contracts, and I closed my trade in Dow Jones AB Crow and made a profit of $3,160. Based on account size, it means I made 10.5% profit with this single trade. And the last trading account, COT2 trading account, I trade on this account a aggressive trading, short-term trading strategy. So, and as you can see, I started in the last trading week with 2 positions in my portfolio. I was 4 contracts long in British pound and 3 contracts long in silver. And I finished the trading week with 1 new position in my portfolio, 6 contracts short in soybeans. The weekly trading result is $8,027. The account size is $500,000. Here you can see the equity. And here's the first trade, British pound. I used the correction to open here a long position in direction of new daily trend. After I got buy signal based on COT data analysis, I risked 0.5%. So, and risk reward ratio was 1:2 and I made a profit of $5,010. Next trade was in silver. So in silver, also here I got a buy signal based on COT data analysis and used the correction to open here a long position in direction of new trend after the trend changed from downward to upward trend. The price target was hit and I made a profit of $18,120 in this market. And the next trade in wheat, so the risk was 1%. It was a short trade in direction of downward daily trend. So, and as you can see, I was topped out with a loss of $4,275. And the next trade, this was a tricky trade. So in heating oil, so the risk was 2% and I was in a long position. So after the trend change, I opened a long position. Then I was topped out and I switched from long to short. But then I decided to close a position based on trend structure, do it to the outside bar on Thursday, and I made overall a loss of $10,869 in this market with this trade. So that's it for today. Don't forget to register for Thursday webinar. You have a chance to win some good prizes. Registration link in the description under this video. See you in webinar or next Sunday. You're Max Schulz. Happy trading and
be disciplined. Get profitable.